Hey, how's it going? Do you want some free for only $1 to $5 per month? Well, hit that join button down below, and if that is not for you, the Patreon link will be in the description.
Whoa, wait a second. That's not free.
Well, let's not get too technical. We do offer a free Discord for everybody.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will be doing a build inside of the Antec P120 Crystal, a case which Antec did provide for us and wanted us to do a bit of a build in it. So what we decided to do is, we've never done an all black build, so we decided to do a blacked out build with no RGB. And of course, you guys know all parts that we do use we'll leave in the description. And guys, would love to see you guys over on our Discord after this video. We're looking for some new members. We'd love to see all your PCs, your setups, and if you have any PC help that you want or any general discussion, we will all be over there. I will be over there. Love to hear from you guys and see you guys over in the Discord server. So big thank you to Antec for sending over their case to do this build with. Hope you all enjoy. And now a quick word from today's video sponsor.
Today's video sponsor is Raid Shadow Legends. Raid is one of the top 3 ranked RPGs on the Google Play Store and has just been nominated as a finalist for the Google Play's Best of 2019 User's Choice Award. Raid is an epic dark fantasy done right. A hero collection turn-based game with over 400 champions for you to collect and customize. Gather orcs, undead knights, elves and more. Assemble a team from 16 heroic factions and claim glory in the PvP arena. And the best part, it is completely free to play. One of the cool features that I do like in this game is that you can set battles to run in auto mode if you are busy, and there are weekly tournaments and events to win extra prizes every week. Raid is growing super fast and they have huge plans for updates in the game over the near future. A new faction, tag team arena, and even a new clan boss to fight with your clan mates. Now, as a special promotion to all new players, we're going to hook you guys up with 50,000 silver and a free epic champion if you click our link in the video description.
Thanks for watching the build, guys. Hope you all enjoyed the all black themed build. We call it Project Blackout. Pretty fitting name, although we did have the white LEDs, so. Anyway, guys, if you want to see any of the specs, I'll leave those in the description. They are Amazon affiliate links. Helps us out at no cost to you. It's greatly appreciated if you do use them, as well as building these PCs is very costly. So once again, a big thank you to Antec for letting us do the build inside of the P120 Crystal case. I actually really enjoyed building inside this case, lots of room to work with. And I like the side radiator mounting option and the bottom radiator mounting option so that you can actually view the PC from the front as well, because most PCs sit on the desk either completely sideways or on a 45-degree angle, so you can actually see more of the inside of your case like that, which is pretty cool. Also, I'd love to see you guys over on Discord. I know we mentioned it earlier in the video, but if you guys do want to join our new Discord server, link will be in the description. Be good to see you guys all over there. As I said, we will be over there. Yeah, if you want to chat, it'd be awesome. If you want to game with us, that'd be cool as well. And guys, don't forget, if you do want to play Raid Shadow Legends, we are over there as well playing it. The link will be in the description. Again, it is free. The game is completely free if you guys do want to play with us. Plus, you get your 50,000 silver and a free hero, so definitely go check that link in the description. And yeah, it'd be cool to see you guys over there. Anyway, that's it for us. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Next week, we will have another Antec build, so stay tuned. It's going to be a good one. Don't forget to like, consider subscribing as well. We do plenty of builds just like this on the channel every single week, so we've got plenty of content, so go check out some more videos as well after this one. Leave your comments down below, you guys. What did you like about this system? And give us some feedback, because we're always looking to expand our knowledge when it comes to custom PCs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one, and Merry Christmas.